Like, I don't know, am I using it wrong? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Curly91, and if this is your first time, welcome. I hope you like this video and some of the other videos on my channel, and I hope you consider to subscribe. So today we are going to do a detangling brush battle again. So this is my second detangling brush video. My other one I will link somewhere up here and somewhere down here. So I just removed my passion twist from my hair, and so I'm going to put these detangling brushes to the ultimate test. I had passion twist in my hair for over a month, and as you can see, it needs to detangle. So if you want to see what brushes I'm going to put to the test, then stay tuned. So today I am going to put two infamous brushes to the test. The first brush I'm going to put to the test is the Michel Mercier brush. And they said this is like patented, and it has like 428 bristles, and they're of all like different sizes. You can't see it on here, but like there's small ones, there's long ones, there's medium ones. Like it has all different lengths. So that's the first one we're gonna put to the test. And the recent EZ Detangling Brush. Now this one is different. It kind of looks like a brush, but it doesn't have the hard structure on the back. It's actually like flexible like this. So we're going to put these two brushes to the challenge. So if you want to see how that goes, then stay tuned. All right, so the first thing I do when I'm detangling my hair, I always separate, and then I will dampen my hair and place a pre-poo in it. Now, so I'm gonna do the Michel Mercier on this side, and then I'm gonna do the EZ Detangler Brush on this side. So let's just pin this side up. And let's work on this side. So I'm gonna take my water. I'm just gonna wet this up real nice. And you know my hair is about to break like crazy. And my favorite pre-poo right now is the Main Choice Heavenly Halo pre-poo, and I use this a lot because it's very moisturizing. So I'm just gonna put that in here to, you know, soften things up a bit, because you know my hair was already locking with all that debris at the roots. So okay, so we're just gonna put some more of that in here. All right, so now I'm just gonna separate my hair, and I'm gonna use this. I'm so excited about using this. I don't know how this is gonna work, but let's see. Okay. Ooh. I don't know. It feels weird. Like, I don't feel like it's, because I have knots, right? But like, it's hard for it to like get through the knots without like that structure in the back, but it's not bad. I have these bad knots in the front. It actually got through those. Oh, there we go. So I have a knot right here. I'm gonna take out with my hands. And then we're gonna I don't know if I like this, but it is detangling my hair. I just feel like, I don't know, am I using it wrong? I don't know. I feel like it's kind of pulling on my hair a little bit. Okay. Well, that was quick and easy. That was not bad. All right, let's do the top. Just braid this and then move to the next side, which is the Michel Mercier side. Okay, so this is how much hair came out of that. And as I said, like, I just took out my passion twist, so I'm expecting a lot of shedding. So this is what was taken out of this section with the EZ Detangling Brush. Now let's see what the Michel Mercier looks like. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing again that we did to the other side. All right, so we're gonna use the Michel Mercier on this side, and let's see how it does. I wanna feel if the tension is more or less. Okay, so first thing I notice is, like, to get a good grip, to get through my hair, this is slippery. Like, I can't hold on to this to get a good grip. So I definitely have to hold it here, and that's kind of uncomfortable. But the thing is, I don't feel as much tension as the other one compared to the Michel Mercier. Like, this was fairly easy, and the tension was not as much as the EZ brush. Let's try this section. The only thing is, it's so uncomfortable to hold it by the handle. There's not a good grip when my hand is wet and has product on it. It's just slipping off. Do you know what I mean? To get a good grip, I have to literally hold it up here. That was pretty good and pretty quick too. Wow. Wow, that's it. Like, that was quick. That was fast. Let me show you how much hair came out of this one. So this was the hair that came out of this one, and this was the hair that came out of the other one. So pretty much almost the same amount of hair came out. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair, and then I'll be right back, okay? So I'm back, and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion about these. And I'm not affiliated with any of these brands. I bought both of these brushes with my money. I bought the Michel Mercier off of Amazon, and I bought this straight from the EZ Detangler Brush site. So I'll put the links down below for you. But let's talk about the pros and cons of these. All right, so the first one we're gonna look at is the EZ brush. So one of the pros of this is that it has a good handle, so you have a good grip and more control when getting the brush through your strands, and that's really good when compared to the Michel Mercier. The other good thing about it is it washes very well. Most of my strands are out of the bristles, and so it washes very well. I kind of like the feel of it, but let's get into the cons. So I don't really like this brush. I feel like even though I have grip, the fact that the bristles move, I feel like there's more tension on my hair when I don't want that. And it takes a lot longer to detangle my hair compared to the Michel Mercier. Even with I put the attachment in the back so that I can have more control, but they would still slip out of this attachment thingy. So I know there's a lot of hype around this brush, but I'm not really feeling it. Maybe I need to try it again, but right now, compared to the Michel Mercier, I'm not really feeling this brush. Okay, now, so let's talk about the Michel Mercier. Let's talk about the pros. So this gets through my tangles really well. I love how quick it is at detangling my hair. It is also, there's also a patent pending on this. So there must be some science behind the 428 bristles and different lengths and sizes that really makes it go through my curls and my strands really well. It went through the knots really well and really quickly too, compared to the EZ Detangler. But let's talk about the cons. So this does not have good grip compared to the EZ Detangler. Because my hand has products, it slips, and so I had to hold it up here to get more control. So I don't have as much control because the grip on here is not great. And the bristles, because of the spacing of the bristles, I think you can still see that I have hair in here. So it's not that easy to wash your hair out. It'll take a little more work to get the strands out of this. But overall, I would say this is the winner. If we're just looking at how fast it detangles and how good it detangles, I would use the Michel Mercier compared to the EZ Detangler. And I know there's a lot of hype around the EZ Detangler, but I am not a fan. I'm not a fan. But if you want a review on the EZ Detangler, another review, another opinion, my girl Loferette did a video on the EZ Detangler, and you can check it out. I'll put it down in my description for you guys. But for me, the Michel Mercier is definitely the winner for this round. I may put this to the test against some other detangler, but today the Michel Mercier has won the battle. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you watched all the way through this video, thank you. I hope you consider to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment down below. I want to know your opinions. I want to have a conversation with you. I want to interact with you. So don't be shy. Say what you got to say down low, and we can have a conversation. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for bringing me this far. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.